This video of training exercise is awesome display of Russian power. Just ignore Sasha getting run over at the end. We're still training. And in the real world, Ukrainian army captured some Russians and their position.
Одного вот приняли. Обыск. Русский. Ёжик, привет. Вон еще трое. Тот самый случай, когда русские не сдаются. Посмотрим, мы смотрим.
After the last advances of the Ukrainian army in the Kherson region, more have definitely not calls for evacuation in Kherson Oblast from Russian appointed officials. The evacuation is just an opportunity for people to change their surroundings.
И это ни в коем случае не эвакуация, вообще никак. Мы не называем это и не связываем с эвакуацией. Это отдых и возможность людям сменить обстановку.
A destroyed Russian K-53,949 Typhoon K MRAP in Kherson Oblast.
Ну, з екіпажем, думаю, сам.
And in the Russian border town of Belgorod, take the weapons back from the mobs, they will smash the city.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.